Greetings, fellow flavor enthusiasts. Today, we're unleashing the secrets of indigenous cuisine of the Andes. Buckle up, because this is not your ordinary food adventure. We're diving deep into the heart of ancient Peruvian flavors, where quinoa was more than just a buzzword and potatoes were the real rock stars. But before we embark on this tantalizing expedition, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's make sure you're not missing out on any of our Epicurean escapades. Now, are you ready to unravel the culinary mysteries hidden high up in the Andes Mountains? Let's roll the tape, subscribe, and dig into the fascinating world of Peruvian food. Picture this, my fellow food adventurers. The awe-inspiring Andes, where towering peaks and ancient traditions converge to create a culinary tapestry like no other. But before we don our virtual aprons and dig into the savory details, let me toss a question your way. A question that's spicier than a Peruvian pepper. What if I told you that the roots of your favorite dishes could be traced back to these majestic mountains, where history and flavor intertwine? Welcome to the Andes, a land where the air is as crisp as a perfectly baked empanada, and the mountains stand tall like ancient culinary sentinels. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Andean cuisine, let's take a moment to appreciate the breathtaking backdrop against which our culinary saga unfolds. Imagine, if you will, a landscape that not only captures the eye, but also cradles the roots of a food revolution. The Andean region, with its diverse climates and rich soil, served as Mother Nature's original pantry, providing the ingredients that would later become the stars of our Andean culinary show. And here's a fun fact to whet your appetite. The Andean folks were living that organic, farm-to-table dream long before it was trendy. Sustainable living wasn't a choice. It was a way of life, etched into the very fabric of their existence. So, as we stand here on the virtual peaks of the Andes, surrounded by the echoes of ancient traditions, get ready to journey back in time through the flavors that have weathered centuries. This isn't just about food, it's a sensory expedition through the heart and soul of the Andes. Now that we've set the stage in the glorious Andes, let's zero in on a tiny yet mighty ingredient that played a starring role in the ancient Andean kitchen: quinoa. Cue the drum roll for this ancient superfood, folks. Quinoa isn't just the hipster's go-to grain, it's the Andean powerhouse that fueled civilizations. Imagine a time when quinoa wasn't just a health trend, it was a dietary superhero, packing more protein than your favorite gym shake. Our Andean ancestors weren't just culinary maestros, they were also nutritional wizards. Quinoa was their secret weapon, a crop so revered that it found its way into every meal, from hearty stews to crunchy snacks. It's like a burst of ancient energy. But here's the kicker. Quinoa wasn't just a food. It was a sacred link between the people and the land. Talk about a grain with a purpose. So, as we revel in the crunchy goodness of quinoa, let's pay homage to this ancient superfood that stood the test of time. From the Andes to your plate, the journey of quinoa is more than a culinary tale. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of Andean civilizations. Did you know that Peru is not just the land of the Incas, but also the birthplace of potatoes? That's right, those golden, crispy fries have a history as rich and diverse as their flavors. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Andean potato lineup. A symphony of colors, shapes, and tastes that would make your grandma's mashed potatoes blush. From the knobby and rustic to the smooth and buttery, the Andean potato collection is like a culinary treasure hunt. But here's the kicker. Each variety brings a unique flavor profile to the table, turning your regular potato dish into a taste adventure. Who knew a potato could be so complex? It's like a potato revolution happening on your taste buds. But it's not just about the flavor, it's about honoring the humble spud's journey from the Andes to kitchens worldwide. The Incas, masters of both agriculture and culinary arts, turned their kitchens into epicenters of innovation. It's like a historical episode of Iron Chef, but with llamas casually wandering in the background. Can you imagine the aroma of sizzling alpaca skewers, the sound of quinoa being toasted to perfection, and the vibrant colors of potatoes being transformed into culinary masterpieces? The Inca chefs weren't just cooking, they were conducting a symphony of flavors, combining ingredients in ways that would make any modern chef nod in approval. Now we're about to embark on an alpaca adventure. And no, we're not just here for the fluffy cuddles, we're diving into the culinary world of these adorable creatures. Before you start thinking, wait, aren't alpacas those cute lawn ornaments? Surprise! In the Andes, alpacas weren't just part of the scenery. They were a prime source of meat for our ancient food enthusiasts. Alpaca meat, my friends, wasn't just a culinary choice. It was a flavorful tradition. Imagine the Andean chefs with their llama-patterned aprons, crafting dishes that would make your taste buds dance a tango. So in the spirit of adventurous eating, I took a leap and tried an alpaca dish. And you know what? It's not just unique, it's downright delicious. Move over, beef. Alpaca is in the house. And there you have it, food explorers. The incredible indigenous cuisine of the Andes. From quinoa power to potato perfection, the Andean culinary journey is one for the taste buds and the history books. Thanks for joining us on this Epicurean expedition. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty tales, and let us know in the comments which ancient dish you're dying to try. Until next time, keep eating and exploring. Buen provecho!